Papa, Papa? What happened? What happened to you?
Nothing, case, Felicia. I need Selena, just sit down.
Papa, sorry. Sorry. Certainly. Come please. Huh? Go to my shop and take care of the shop. I'm coming.
Go and buy me the drugs since you sent my son away to your shop.
As what? As your maid? As your nobody you do? Because shift, let me sit down. See, shift. You expect me to go and buy drugs for you? Look at you. I'm sure you were busy chasing somebody's wife. Look at your nose. Eh? It's the same behavior that you put up in the office that made you lose your job. Okada rider. You now chase people's wives in the guise of riding Okada. They will say, they will enter, climb your Okada. Then they will carry their breast, big boy, on your back. Then you'll be entering every gallop you see. You can't go and educate. Okada rider. Ocho one. Can't go near. I'm off here. You will suffer it. You will sleep without drugs. You will feel the pain. Tomorrow you will chase people's wives again. Then look at the back.
Get me my lunch.
I should get you your lunch. If you're fagged out, go into the kitchen and get yourself something.
I don't know what your problem is. Go get my lunch. What's your problem?
Okay. Is it me you're shouting at? It's obvious you're not hungry, because if you were hungry, you go and get your lunch yourself. Which color will you bring? Which one do you prefer?
I knew it. I knew it. Yes, I knew it.
What?
Give me the money.
Which money?
Give the money to me now.
Because my friend.
Give me the money. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me the money. Give it to me.
I'm looking at what time?
Give it to me.
I'm looking at what time?
Well,
I can see you have no fear anymore. You want me to just...
Give me the money. Give me my money.
Don't touch me again.
I said give me the money. Where did you keep it?
I don't blame you. Money is more important to you than food. Instead of you to go there and find something to eat, if you ever get money man you do not put in your clothes. Then look at trouser day. And you want to.
Listen, what is it?
Biko.
Biko what?
You want to run away from your responsibility, from your duties. You're not going anywhere.
What is it now? Don't rub on my dress. Leave me alone.
My friend,
leave me first of all before you talk.
Money for upkeep and for food. Yes.
You didn't see the money I kept on the table inside there?
Okay. What is that one? 2,000. Is that for pure water or for salt? Yeah. You can find money.
I have to go to my car. You will strangle me. Leave me first.
I have to
go to me.
Look at
how you rumpled my dress.
Oh, it's not dress. Coat in the more. Let's chinchina linia.
Stop beating me. That's the only money I have in my pocket. Use this one to support the 2,000 I left there. I'll use this one.
My friend, can go? I want you give me half and keep half. We are now sharing. Okay,
give me the money. Give me the money now. Will I trek to the office?
Please start trekking. In short, start trekking now. Come on, trek to the office. If you don't, I will collect this your coat and sell it to. It's just that there won't be anyone that would want to buy this thing. Besides, there's change. Hi.
Mama. Money.
Yeah? What is this you're holding?
1,000.
What did you get it?
From the table now.
Oh.
Papa said it's for the family upkeep. So I took 1,000. I left 1,000 for you.
Here. For family upkeep. Your name has now become upkeep, okay?
Am I not part of the family?
Part of which family? If since this your nose started getting bigger, you must go.
Is it not about our upkeep?
But wait now. Wait for your
Mama.
It's okay. I tell me not like you. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Where are they?
Who, sir?
The investors.
Oh, they've gone, sir.
Did Ibekwe go with them?
No, Ibekwe hasn't come. I've not seen him.
He hasn't? The documents they left behind, where is it? They didn't drop any documents?
Yes, sir.
If you ever cost me this business, do you know what? Write his on suspension immediately. 1 week mandatory suspension. Write a suspension letter for him. Sign it on my behalf. I've heard enough of that nonsense. Money, sir. What is good about this money, Ibekwe? What is good about this money? Ibekwe, you're on immediate suspension. 1 week mandatory suspension.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. What did I do?
You're asking me what you did. What's the time? What is the time? I'm sorry, sir. You're suspended. Get out of my face.
Let me give you 2,500 and I'll keep 500 for myself.
You have completed it 3 days.
Don't worry, when you come next tomorrow.
I tried.
Yeah? Take care of yourself.
I will. Give me a guy, give me that money. Yeah, again. Give me the money. Give you what? Give me the money.
Why are you disturbing the handsome young man? And listen, man on the line, like some people that feel they must wear coats to be men.
Who is that young boy?
You want to know who the young man is? Yes. His name is Girl. You understand me? And I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Wait, just like removing his coat off your shoulder. You know, vulture. You be coat. Dene, you coat. You now have the guts to talk to me anyhow. Don't you ever in your life talk to me like that. Mama, I found you in our salon. I'm a Mogom kitchen. I'm a fair copy.
Give him the money I left for you.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways.
God is too much.
Stop the act.
Hey!
Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts, evil that you do will come back to you. No matter how long it takes, oh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. How do you feel now?
Much better today.
Okay.
Please go and prepare something for me to eat. I'm very hungry.
You mean Mama didn't prepare food for you?
If she did, I wouldn't have been telling you this.
Ikechi, couldn't you prepare food for Papa?
If I slap you now, you will forget your name. Don't you know that as a growing young boy, that I need more energy and more food? Your small brain should tell you that as Papa is hungry now, that I should be more hungry.
That is why you should have prepared the food. Yes.
I'm happy, Wagon. Mama is back.
Mama, good afternoon. Yeah? Why are you frowning at me? We didn't keep any food for Papa. And you know he's not feeling fine. You're very stupid. Are you too young to prepare food for your father before leaving for school? Eh? See, don't let me just remove this scarf you tied around your waist that you called skirt from you. And as for you, Ibekwe, you think you can turn my children against me? Okay, forgive me, okay?
And actually, did I tell you to prepare food for me before you left this house?
Nekwagi, Ibekwe, look at you. So you now ask me questions. You're asking me questions. You now have guts to talk to me.
Mama, that is Anna. Come on. What is wrong with you? Stay one place, allow them to pay there.
They are working. I only waste respect. You don't have respect anymore.
I don't blame you. I'm living in the same house with you. Come on, to kill you. If I want to kill you, I know how to kill you. It's very easy. easier than killing a rat that is dead already. Hey, Mama!
Mama? Mama, please joke apart. I am in fact, seriously hungry. I was patiently waiting there for you to come and give me food.
But you were busy telling your father and I to fight. To pray. Okay?
Because I know you will beat Papa hands down. I was just saying that so that you will do quick, finish him up and come and give me food.
I should have named you Uche. You think you have sense? This is your blockhead. What sense in
Hi.
Let me tell you. You see, everything in this house, I provide for it.
I know.
Food,
Bam.
soap to wash clothes, everything. Jerrycan, Osite, if anything no I bought with my money.
Mama, don't worry. I know where my bread is buttered.
So next time you see me fighting with your father, you come and join me to beat him up. Not to say perea.
So what?
You understand what I'm saying?
I will do that.
Good.
The food.
Food. See there. See, you know your sister loves your father too much. There is no way she will not go to the kitchen to prepare something for you. So when she's done, you go there and carry one plate.
Yeah, what on kid?
I only have cabin.
Cabin?
Yes.
Is malt available?
Malt? No, because the cabin is just 10 naira cabin.
Yeah.
So you will go to the back. You know where we have that our Eton pot? Collect a cup of water and send down the 10 naira cabin. Into your...
Can you go to the cabin first?
Into the cabin first.
Okay.
Papa, don't mind her. Sorry. Let me go and get you something to eat.
Yes, please. Please go. Sorry, go. Sorry.
Anecheli, wanyo nechelo nye diamba.
Ma, I don't know what you're talking about, ma.
You don't know. Nigga, you're telling me you don't know. Nigga, I repeat, if you are not the one I saw in your husband's car, who is that?
Ma, I don't know.
I put you in this company for you to be my guy. And you're lying to me. And then, I saw improvement in my husband's car. The way they were discussing. My husband did not pick that lady on the road.
Ma, the only person that came here was Mrs. Ibekwe. Yes, Mrs. Ibekwe came here.
Mrs. Ibekwe. Mrs. Ibekwe. Ibekwe, the one that works with this company.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Is he not visible?
No, ma. He hasn't come to work.
Ibekwe, you are a wicked man. Ibekwe, you are a wicked man. Ibekwe will pay you here. Yes, you set your wife over my husband. Huh? Ibekwe,
I can't understand.
you will understand it later. Ibekwe, you are fired. Ibekwe, you are fired in this office. Nonsense.
I want to go to school. Or maybe go to university.
Biko Pano, is it possible for a dunce to go to university?
Okay, let me ask you a question. 2 times 1.
2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. That's 2 times 3, 6.
Okay, wait. 4 times 2 is what?
8. Mama ya bale.
8 times 2. Ajamwa. 8 times 2, it's nyaka kona na emeswe. Tell out there, may like you're just like your father. You're not smart. Eh?
Papa, good
money. Hey, your father has learned to put money inside the envelope.
Papa, leave.
Wonders will never end. I told you will be like your father. Exact replica of your father. Obolo, you see everything about him. Nah. So you have been sacked.
You caused it.
Hey! Oh, Ilenia. Aren't you going 9 all? You're just like your father.
God forbid.
God forbid.
I cannot be like him.
Dikeh. Is it? Papa, me? Or another father you're talking about? Boy, Dikeh.
Papa, don't be offended, but I cannot be like you.
Well, you'll be sacked now. Hey, man, don't be on the left. You clean up the house. You go. Look at your father. Look at you. The shape of the head, the shape of the ear, even the nose, everything about you is your father.
No, my head is not like you.
The only difference.
You sacked me from my handsome salary job and have been taunting me ever since. Honestly, why are you this wicked? What have I not done for you? It is this Okada business that I use to sustain this family, including that petty business you are boasting of.
Hi.
You turned my children against me. You were with Shatana before I came back. And you did not send him to the shop until I've sent him to go and buy drugs for me. Don't you see that I need help without being told? My swollen mouth and the bleeding nose.
The blood obviously looks fake. But let me just tell you the honest truth. I think you're better off dead. Oh, come on, now. That way we can use your remains as manure for the next planting season. Yes, now. Is it because of this nonsense, man?
Now give me back my money. Let me go and buy the drugs by myself.
See what you're calling money. 600 naira. What can I do with this money? Okay. Maybe I can buy one cheap lipstick and one cheap nail polish. 600 naira. Tell her them. So all those women are your back, they don't give you anything. Hey, if I go, Is there any other thing you want to talk about? So, you're just using idea to touch me. Again. Nonsense.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act. Stop and change your ways.
And when you go to school, you better be careful there. Ikechi. Let's go now, huh? Papa, where are you going to? Yeah. Papa, we are going to check the admission stuff. Okay, come.
Let me carry on. Is it? Come and enter, let's go.
Is it? You want to carry all of us where?
Have I not been carrying you on this bike before?
This one.
My friend, come, let me drop you people where we get there.
Papa,
Don't worry.
Papa, please leave them. They can find their way. We even let
We are going to
Have you carried anybody since this morning? You know, if I go to Kenya, I'm not going to today. Today is a back market. See, I can't know what's in my GLG. Come run there bad your doors. What do you mean today is a bad market? Want me to say? Go home and rest. If you were telling me you want to go and climb your wife. Let me go back. Tell me you want to go.
Papa, good afternoon.
That's one.
Papa.
Why are you at home by now? You're supposed to be in the school.
Papa, I was driven out of school because I haven't paid my school fees. And the principal said that I won't take exams if I didn't pay.
Anechele, please come. Please sit down. I want us to discuss something very important. Yes.
Something like what?
I don't see why we should be living as cat and mouse in this family. We are supposed to be good examples to our children and others of what marriage should be.
Chalukwa, have I not been a good wife? Have I not taken care of you and the children? Eh? Don't I provide food in this house? I can't tell you a pistol of St. John because I'm ever talking.
We used to be happy together in this marriage. I don't know what went wrong.
Ibekwe, money went wrong. Money. Do you know what it feels like to walk out there and see other women well dressed and then you're not properly dressed? You go for meetings, you enter, people move away from you because you look unkempt. Okay, let me use myself as an example. I don't have good clothes to wear, no jewelry. The entire earring I will wear until Otaka Siamonti before I throw it out. And then when I want to, you know, pretend that I'm dressing up, I will use my chaplet as necklace. It's an omaka. It's not a good thing. It's not a good position to find yourself in. So my dear, money went wrong. The minute you start providing, love will return.
God will provide. I know God will provide.
God will come down and provide. Okay? What number?
And now, one of this Okada.
Oh.
God will provide. Honestly, I know that God will provide. He has already provided for Obianiju's school fees. Please, take this. Make sure you pay Ujunwa's school fees and in time too.
I will do that immediately. Then if there's any change left, I will use it and pay for the groundnut oil that I bought on credit from Amaka.
This one is strictly for Ujunwa's school fees. And I think I have told you to stop buying things on credit. Huh?
We're still saying the same thing. Money. If I had money, do you think I would go buying groundnut oil of all things on credit from Amaka? Amaka of all people. Then you know talks too much. The whole village. Make money. Make money. Then love will come back and you settle her. Not this thing that you might go. Look at 200. Maybe next time you go and pay it.
Go and call your mother for me. Because I gave her your school fees 2 weeks ago to pay. Go and call her for me.
Good afternoon.
Papa, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How did you go?
Papa, we've gone, no. It's just all about money.
I know. I don't want to hear anything about money now.
Papa, you've not asked us how much. At least ask us how much is it before you start complaining.
Right. How much is it?
It's just 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
That's my own.
Just for him. Then 50,000 naira for myself. Each. That is
for admission.
For admission.
100,000.
No.
No.
Admission, they say.
For processing the admission.
Wow.
Processing the. I don't know how much the admission itself is going to cost, but let's get the 100,000 first. I know I can say I'm
Papa, you are not saying anything.
Papa, are you going to give us that? Papa, it's just 100,000. We are talking about, there are people who are paying 200, 300. And I can see the school is just pitying our poor condition. That's... Udah ada Papa? Papa udah ada Papa, we are just talking about 100,000, not even 200, not 300, and we are using water. 100,000 and we are...
Cetana. Come.
Leave Papa alone. We are trying to help you, but you are not helping us. So.
I want more Sinostar.
Sinostar?
Yes.
Okay.
I beg, bring me 3 cartons, 3 packs.
3 packs?
Yes. Children love and well. Then soft drink.
Okay. Fanta and Coke.
Yes, the small ones.
Small ones.
If you see as children, they put mouth for this thing, they suck them.
I know they will like it. How many cartons do you like?
Of the 3 cartons.
3.
Yes.
This bread.
Hi.
What do you need more?
If you ask this girl, they sell. Even myself, I dey follow chop am.
You know it's sweet.
It's sweet.
I go like am.
Wait, make I tell you how many you go buy. Wait. Mami Ebuka get 5 children. Mama Ijoma 5, 10. Then about 30 pieces of the small ones.
30 pieces.
Ah, children, they chop that thing, eh?
40 pieces. I'll give you 5 pieces more.
You will give me?
Yes.
Hey, not only me go chop am. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay.
You see this fish? That biscuit where they call fish. That blue one.
Okay, fish spicy.
You know am?
Yes.
Children, I don't know what they put inside that thing.
It's sweet, very well.
It's sweet. If you say then they chop am, eh?
You go need them.
I go need am.
How many?
2 cartons, I beg.
2 cartons. Okay.
I beg, that popcorn when I bring, that one, don't enter am. I don't want that.
What's happened that time? They say, so, machine.
Gini, what is it? What do you want? Has school closed? Why are you here? Papa said you should come home now. Do what? Please be going, I'm coming. He said you should follow me immediately. Nah, I beg, no vex. Make I just rush house. Come, my house no far.
I don't get time.
I beg. Just,
I see you have to go to some other shop.
I know, just they calculate what I want. I go soon come back. Make I run and go, come back. Oh yeah, they go. See am. I said they run. You understand like person just don't get here.
Why would this woman just leave me like this? Let me go. Again now. Because just give me small time. I didn't want to go my shop like that.
You sent for me. You made me leave my busy shop to come here and answer you. And I left my customers unattended.
Sorry about that. When was it I gave you Junwa's school fees to pay? 2 weeks ago?
Now 2 weeks ago, why are you asking? As if you do not remember.
Why didn't you pay it?
You should be ashamed of yourself. Shame! Look at your children. They have not even eaten. You are talking of paying school fees. Only just school. Look at Ikechi. Look at his stomach. Name Yukolo. Because he has not eaten. No food to eat. Oh, look at your daughter, Uju. Uju's backside has refused to come out because she's not eating well. Now, is it Tetana? Look at him. He grows up and leaves it like an umbrella because he wants it to cover his body so people will not know he's hungry. Oh, is it you? There's no point describing you because anybody that sees you knows that your name is Hunger. And you're asking me about school fees. Don't even ask me that kind of question. Oh, you think I'll be the one that will keep providing in this house? You want to pay school fees for Uju?
Her mate's not married. Let her go and marry a rich man and bring money. Because I'm nonsense, sir, Pico.
Mama, this is not fair. This is what others do and they call it wickedness.
See who is calling me wicked? It is people like you without backside that are wicked. You use your backside for wickedness. By the time you're wicked, backside will shrink. Wicked! That is what you are. In a bomb wicked. Ochako Mwaka. You will marry your father.
Honestly?
Yes?
I did not call you here to quarrel with everybody. In a nutshell, why didn't you pay the school fees? In
a nutshell, I did not pay the school fees because I used the money to settle the debts that we're owing. And I also used it to buy food for the house. QED.
Honestly, I will no longer tolerate this rubbish. When it comes to the school fees of this child, I won't play with it. This is the final one I'm giving you.
Papa, you did not fight for our own school fees like this. What is happening?
What is not happening? You guess what is not happening? What is wrong with you, sir? Are you crazy or something? To talk like you don't have any sense in this your brain at all. Wait, so did Mama use your brain to start a business or something?
You're very stupid. No, you're very stupid. It's your brain that I used to open the shop. Yes. How dare you talk like that? As if I'm from your group. I think it's your head that I used to open the shop. How shut up or say one. If you are sensible, they will not be talking to you anyhow. You know Zuzu, all of you Zuzu. But I don't blame you. You inherited it from your father. I can't go back next time you talk to me like that in front of your children. If you think they're men. You shut up and get from here. You never see me put Shiono. Men at Pidoya Canis. You never say what? I'll put you in no chance. Nonsense.
Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli wanyo, nechelo nye diyama. Mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Wanyike, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Madam Hoha, mbombo.
He's standing here since all alone, staring into space. I don't know what his problem is.
Mama, you are part of my problems. No. You are part of my problems, Mama.
How? Just there. Take it easy. Calm down.
Mama, leave me alone. For God's sake, leave me alone. Eh? I am tired of you. I am tired of you and Papa. Mama, sure, I am tired of this life. I am tired of everything in this house. I no longer want the admission. I am tired of the admission. Papa, I am tired! I am tired!
But I promised to give you money to process your admission.
Papa, you promised to give me money for my admission. Papa, where is the money? I have not seen the money, Papa!
There's a way I'm feeling like all that is going me. Eh? When you start feeling sleepy, you come to bed.
Yeah, I'll come to Russia. I think you are later. My friend, he slept. Go there and sleep. Get into the house and sleep. Where is the road? Where is the road? You never paid. You never paid me. Make I collect my money now. You never paid me.
Dafe, let him come.
I'm very sorry. Come. Yes, come. I'm so sorry.
Madam, now my gather money and talking.
It's okay. You can have this working. Keep it.
All this?
Yes, just keep it.
Chetana. Where are these ones? Ikechi.
Ah, Papa.
Call Chetana so that people can bring down this price. Call him so that you can.
Look at that rice.
What does he look like? Hey. Yes, I bought rice.
Is it our own?
Uncle Mother can be at our bag. It's our own. Alright, go and put it. Where is Chetana?
Papa, Chetana is not around. I have not set eyes on him since morning.
Where must he have gone to? Alright, put your hand here. Let's take it inside.
Hey! Paradise!
Yeah, you can come and put your hand here. Let us take this rice. Where's it? Now, put your hand here. Let us take this rice inside. Put your hand here now.
Good afternoon, Papa.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Papa.
How are you? Yes.
You bought rice?
Yes.
I got rice.
How about Papa? You should have given me the money for my school fees.
No problem. Yes,
Papa.
Don't worry. I will also give you money for your school fees.
Hey! Papa, my own. Damn! Who there?
Papa, what of my own?
Hey! Don't worry. Let's carry the rice inside. I will settle everybody.
Papa.
It's like Papa won jackpot. Papa, did you win jackpot?
I have searched every place. Manager, where is Chetana, my son?
Nkwalanya, what kind of stupid question is that? Him and this man, sometimes you'd like to be stupid. How can you ask me that kind of question? When I left him and you here last night and went to bed, do I know where you sent him to? I'm a maybe Sianjebe. You never asked him where is your son. As if you gave birth to him. I'm the one that carried him for 9 months. Where is your son? Nonsense.
Cha. Cannot help you in this matter. It can never help in this matter. Don't worry. By the time the king's men will come asking for him, he will tell them to come and ask him.
Oh, you think that one bothers me, right? Don't go and find your son. You hear me? Stand here and come here. Then we'll know who will be at fault. I left you here with him last night. Kevin and now where? You're always trying to prove that he's closer to you than to any other person. Now you're asking me to go and look for him. Don't find that boy.
My brother, you know this now. It was so hectic. I saw we they live on for here. Boy, hey. And the main thing we say, as you don't come, everybody for here knows say you be new person. So you go hide your money well. Hide them, because nobody here they smile. As for me, now for here, I'ma hide my own.
Fine, I've had you. I will take care of that. So where do we sleep this night? I'm feeling very sleepy.
Now here now. Now here.
Okay, here. This place is locked. Can't you see? It's locked now.
Yes.
Come and open it. Let's.
It's there locked, but now here we go sleep. See that bros waiting for there. Now so we two go do.
Hey, wait. You mean here? As in, we will sleep here?
Yes, this place. And we go pay 100 naira.
Jesus.
So make you keep your own money ready. Make me go find...
Bros, wait, no verse. We will sleep here and still pay 100 naira on top.
Yes. I will go find her. Oh? You go not say you don't come. And some other place you come now.
Obika.
What is it?
So you come new here?
Yes, sir.
They never tell you?
Tell me what, sir?
Search yourself.
Obika,
if I hear film, fuck a breeze. Search yourself.
Obika. Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry.
You don't complain with you.
I didn't come alone. This year, I came with Obika. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Obika, sorry, sir.
Obika. Come on, sleep. See your face. Yes. Search yourself.
Sir.
Are you still wasting time?
Sir.
Search yourself.
Sorry, sir. I didn't see. Go. Sir. Now what is that? What did I do with that? Sir.
For you. As soon as they spoil person.
If you no come up for here now, I go tell okay me in the morning.
Which kind of way you should be now?
Waka come out too. They go. See him face. Onyoshi. See, I have to no collect anything from you.
No, you don't collect anything, but Obika, I'm not sleeping here again. I'm not sleeping. I thought I'm going.
Where you go?
I'm going.
Where you want to go? Okay, make it they go. When you go finish, you will come meet me for here. My brother, how today now?
Now we can go.
Hi.
Can I really do this? No, I don't think I can do this.
Bros, you still there? Ah. Yeah, I don't go.
Now what did they do you? You still sit down for here? I beg, say come back, make we come out. See everybody don't come out. Come, Joe. I don't know what they do you. Every time go they do live.
I used to call Mrs. Annie shop.
No, Chiku. Oh, Chiku na-enye ọkụ wee na-echi ilu mmanya.
The house is so lonely. We're not alone. So lonely, so I decided to come and stay with you.
You're in trouble. So not that you're lonely and you have to come to my shop. Please, I don't want you here because you bring me bad luck. Can't Kevin know the house is lonely.
Is it evil for a husband to stay with his wife in a shop?
Hey, yes, it is evil.
Get it evil.
How can a man stay with the wife in the shop? You know what you think, Nako? Please. Biko, Ibekwe, just go home. Don't disturb me and don't bring bad luck for me. Is it my fault that you lost your motorbike? Or my fault? So you want to come here now and I'll start losing things in my shop? Biko, go back to the house.
You know what? Go and find your motorcycle and start work.
It's bad enough that I provide for you to eat. In case you want to watch how much I'm collecting for my business, it's the one that I will not take. Please go and don't bring bad luck for me. Go. Ikapu.
Oh, my important customers will soon come now. Nabanu Bikonu, carry your bad luck and go. See, let me advise you, go and look for your motorcycle so you continue with your business. I'm not quality come on and handle there. Nesianichi, Yagan, a pen. Yeah.
Oh, keep going in, I call.
Oh, find anyone. Oh, okay.
Who gave her one?
See me here now. So trying to sell my market. Stop it.
Stop what?
Uzoka. Listen, I want to just ask for one favor. Can I touch?
Go ahead.
Hey!
We go to bed now.
It's so silky, unlike my husband's own. when I touch my husband's beard, hey! I come out with rashes.
I born here like a
like you, bro. Night, Charleston, stop touching me. See, if you want a relationship, why don't you stop behaving like a child? Like all this touch, and tell me what you want, and then we'll know what we'll do about it now.
Eh.
Hey!
You know what?
What? Are you sure I can manage?
Just try small trial. Eh? Your belly trial.
See little boy
will
like
convince you.
I'm not getting you shy.
Okay,
I must start something. I must start a business. I have to start something. How can I be receiving insult from a woman I use my own money to marry every day? Just imagine.
Wow, ego cheki, ego dakasa, daka, ego ke, no chata kasa, wen kai na ho. Mande men daka, mande wolo ele, mande oketa, mande ochata, wen kai na ho. Wow, ego cheki, ego dakasa, daka, ego ke, no chata kasa, wen kai na ho. Enwe wele guy agbanwe ele. Wow, ego cheki, alagra to say, enwe guy agbanwe ele.
Please, don't be offended. I want to find out something from you. What are you doing with this money you are collecting? Torn, eaten by rodents and cockroaches. What are you doing with such money?
As you can see, we gather them, we take it to the main collector who gives us our own commission.
I just want to find out something. Can somebody survive with this?
Somebody can survive with it. As you can see, I'm sustaining myself from it. And when came I got one while again.
I don't have any.
Nah, now my time where you do waste. Wow, we go check. We go na kasia. Wow, we go check. We go na kasia.
Please. How many phones? What did they take this phone to sell? What are you doing with phone that is spoiled?
I sell them to the company where produce them for refurbishing. Yes.
Like how many phones you fit collect for one day?
The day where market days, I fit get 50 phones, even 100 sell.
Yes. Okay. How much do they sell?
I dey sell, I be how much I go buy from you.
Don't be offended. Like this my own. How much?
Like this one now, I feel give you even 1,000. Like this big one now, now 1,000 I buy them. These small ones, now just 500, but I feel give you 1,000. Guys, companies are even more than that. Go phone.
remember? No. Walk your work. Hey! Oh, give me this.
Give me food now for me.
Now what the baby? Who's this one? That's for my prince. Papa. Papa what? Join us, Papa. Tell us what party fella there, mate.
Can't you see that this one will not be enough for both of us? You are saying, Papa, join us.
Sometimes you can be a sensible child. So you don't know that if you cannot provide for your family, you do not eat the food that another person provided for.
You see, he doesn't want to eat. He doesn't know. Itu pula ungolo. Itu pula ungolo. Mama, Emilia. Aku nje gongo kitufu. Mama. Nonsense. Tano. Hurry up. Eat well.
And actually no longer gives me food in this house. I must find something to do for a living before I die of hunger. I cannot continue like this.
We are here in respect of what you told me the other day. The security.
Oh.
Or have you found somebody?
No. I'm still looking for a very responsible man. My friend when I come all who will work for me as a night watch.
Sir, this is Mr. Ibekwe. A colleague and a good friend of mine.
Yes.
Unfortunately, they stole his motorcycle. When I told him of your request, he said he would do the job very well.
Okay. Ibekwe, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So, you can do the job well.
Yes, sir. Very, very well, sir.
When can you start?
I'll start anytime you want me to start.
It's alright. Start tomorrow night.
Alright, sir. I will start tomorrow. Yes, sir.
I'll be paying you 20,000 naira per month for night.
For night, sir.
10,000 naira for night. Totally 30,000 naira.
Thanks, sir.
That's a good offer, sir.
Thanks, sir.
That's a good offer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
We'll be going. Tomorrow he will start.
Yeah. No.
I don't want to buy anything. I'm looking for a boy called Dikeh. Do you know him?
I say here.
Hello, excuse me. Listen, this boy Obika, I have a message for him from his friend in America. Do you know him? Hello, where are you going to?
Okay, let me call him for you now.
Okay, that's nice, Thank you. Obika, come now.
How you go, Brian?
This man says that he has a message from a friend of yours in America.
Message?
Are you Obika?
Yes, sir.
My name is Obika. I have a message from your friend, Dikeh.
Dikeh?
Yes.
Chai. Now my good friend though, all of us they have the hustle. Fine day now.
It's fine.
So you see him, man?
Yes, it's fine.
Thank God.
And he sent a message to you. He said I should give you $100.
$100? I don't have mine. Okay.
And not only that, get dressed tomorrow. Dress very well. Dress responsibly. I'll come here tomorrow morning. You'll be here tomorrow morning. I'll come here tomorrow morning at this point to pick you up. I'm taking you to Lagos to go and procure your visa. You are going to America with me.
Visa? Shy. I don't get international passport. I don't get.
Don't worry about that. I personally took Dikeh, your friend, to America.
Hey, not true. Hi. Hold on, sir. America.
See, I am very happy for my friend. He said you are taking him to America. This guy is very close to me. In fact, he's close to my heart. He's my very close friend. We do everything together. We sell this in this market together. We sleep together. We eat together. We go places together. Oh my God, that he will take him to America without me. At least because I'm going to know hustle line and I can do it in America. Please, sir.
You don't need that. Listen, I work for an NGO that strives very hard to get juveniles and young boys off the street. And when we take them out, we make sure they get responsible and legitimate job. So don't worry, just for the way you called him and the way you acted, I want to also do it for you. Get dressed tomorrow. I'm coming to pick you.
I was not going to your house. I'm not going to your house. Yeah? I'm going to your house to see if you went and planned. This uniform fits. So, you are now a security man.
I am just on my way to your house. So, you've resumed work now?
I started as agreed.
Thank God.
Don't you see how beautiful I look?
You look beautiful, my brother.
Who got me? Who got me?
You know, you are the person that gave me this job. Sure for you.
So, what you are telling me now is that if policemen do shot, you do shot.
I do son.
Paramilitary. My brother, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. So happy. I know. You are now a man.
Hey! Okada! Okada, wait though! So you can carry me, because... Okada!
Fast security. I'll go on and take one.
Hey! Look at this man. Now, what is this man? You have not provided money for food in a long while. But you had the guts to enter Okada and pay.
No.
Money that we would have used to feed the family. Why didn't you check home?
I offered him late. He did not pay any money.
Then okay. You should connect him. Did you ask questions?
Nah, go.
Go. He did not pay any money.
You pay the money.
Let's go.
You chased him away, so I will not collect the money.
You wanted to fight him.
Wait.
My friend dropped me. You wanted to fight him.
Oh, you're calling me a fighter.
Mama, madam, you no go understand. I must go home.
Huh?
America, they pass me by.
America?
Yes.
You value this America more than your life.
Madam, I must go to America. Yes.
You don't have friends to talk.
What? Wait.
Give me this thing.
Go home. Huh? Let her go. Aye! Aye! Ooh! You leave me here?
You want to go home now? Go home. You are free to go.
Yeah, I think go. Give me that thing now. Give me my stick.
Come on. Go back. Go back to the house. Take.
Oh.
Hope you can take. Go back to the house.
Madam, you no go understand though.
I can't endure this anymore. I can't endure it.
What is it?
I couldn't sleep last night. Can you finna go on, Biko?
What is it?
Listen, I had a terrible dream. A terrible dream last night.
Because you had a dream, that is why I should not rest after keeping awake throughout the night. Honestly, that is why you called me out here, because of this dream.
Bianwokem, I don't know what you've done with my son or where you've taken him to. But all I am telling you is that I will not take it any longer. You will bring back my son to this house.
Honestly, let me tell you, this boy is a boy you chased away from this home. And because you chase him away, he's now hunting you in your dream. Yes.
I chased my son.
You want to punish me for what you
chased our son with your state of poverty. Go, Butenuna. Come on to work.
It might be
you have killed my son. If you're putting into your you got a door. After using him for ritual or whatever, look at the kind of job you got. Hey! Chineke!
He is now hunting you.
He will
go and bring him back.
He will hunt you.
He will continue to hunt you. Go and bring him back. Go and bring him back.
You don't have a good job. You must bring my son from you. You must bring my son for me.
You just leave me alone. I'm not in the mood.
Why now? Why you? What is happening?
I have a feeling my son is dead.
How? How? Is that why you're crying? Huh? Just because of a mere dream. That's why you're crying. No, don't do this to yourself. Huh? No, it's not fair now.
No, stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it now.
No, you stop it.
Stop it, though.
Stop it.
I'm not in the mood. Leave me alone.
Just put a small smile on this face. Just a small smile and you'll be in the mood. Just try it. Try, huh? No, this one is fake. Very fake. Try it.
Oh,
just try it. Just a small smile.
Stop it though. Just stop teasing me. I don't like it. It's not true. It's not true. No. Gee, I don't know how to do that kind of kiss. So yeah. Stop telling me that. Oh, Zoka, stop it. Stop it. It's okay. We'll talk later. Yes. Okay. All right, sir. Bye.
Who was that talking to your phone? Who is Uzoka?
Bianwokem. Abayintutu. Did you just receive an injection that is making you mad? How dare you ask me that kind of question?
Why won't I ask you? Wait, I am here and you are calling another man on phone. Look at the way you are even laughing and smiling with him on phone.
Mba, I shouldn't smile with another man. Because you're who? Who are you, Godi? It is Godi I'm talking to. Who are you? You're not even man enough. Godi, in case you do not know, Akagina Dumogu. Godi, you have thorns on your palms. So just get away from me. Don't touch me. You know what? Godi, it is over between us. You're not man enough. No. Don't touch me. Which of the word don't you understand? Godi, let me tell you, it's over. And don't ever come here to ask me such a stupid question.
Me.
Get out of my house.
Me, Godi.
Godi, I said get out. Oh. Godi, what am I even doing with you? Other women like me have boyfriends younger than you that give them money. But you come here and take everything that I have. Even up to my housekeep money. Eh? And you're not even man enough. Pico, get out of my compound, Pico. Yes.
Papa, Godi.
Godi, see you.
What is going on here?
Please get this man out of this compound. He's insulting me in my own compound.
Oh.
Eh?
You are insulting my wife. You are here insulting my wife. Because I asked you who you are talking to on phone and you said it's over between us. And I asked you who Uzoka is. You asked him to slap me. Why?
And you're still here. You're still here. Wait, is this your uniform? Just a decoration? Is it not a police uniform or gadget? Whichever one it is. Deal deal with this man and get him out of here. He's insulting me and you're just there staring at him. You better get out of here.
Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama.
Now, who is the Uzaka you were talking to on phone?
Baby. I wasn't talking to any Uzaka. I just told him that I would meet someone at Uzo and then we'll move down to Eke. That's what he's talking about, Uzoka.
What was over between two of you?
Oh, business. You know, there's this business we've had together and can you imagine, he chopped my money. Yes, he spent my money. So I told him the business is over between us. Hey, baby, you look hungry and tired. Mama, sit down. Come on. This your uniform looks wrong. Now sit down. Stop fighting over this kind of thing. I don't want you to die and then we'll say I killed you. Your uniform is so dirty and rumpled. I'll wash them for you. And I'll iron it. Hey, Inna. You must be very hungry. Take this off so you can have some air. It's smelling though. We'll also wash this. Darling, what would you like to eat? And I'll buy you a pair of canvas. Oh? Well, I have a lot of things in the house. I have cabin biscuits. I have crackers. I have fish biscuits. I'm all among each other. I have malt. Well, what would you like?
Anecheli, mbombo.
I hope you remember how to kiss,
Anecheli,
mbombo.
Anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama. Anecheli, mbombo. Wanyike, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Madam Hoha, mbombo.
Hey, sir, hello, sir. Excuse, sir. Sorry, sir. Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Sir, I'm looking for one Mr. Ibekwe. I was told he's from this vicinity.
What does he do for a living?
I was told he's an Okada rider.
If you see him, will you recognize him? Do you know him in person?
No, sir. But I won't know. But his son sent me a message to him, and that's why I'm looking for him.
Chetana.
Yes.
Chetana is my son. I'm Ibekwe Akukwe. I'm Ibekwe Akukwe. Ibekwe Akukwe. Okay. Don't worry. I was riding Okada before.
Okay.
They stole my Okada. That's why I became a guard in somebody's house. Chetana is my son. For a very long time, we have not seen Chetana.
Okay. Just enter the car. Let's go to your house. Okay. Enter the car. Let's go.
Chetana, still alive. Hey!
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't worry. All these things will be in the past. Will be in the past.
Hey. Driver starts now, guys. Hey. Dikeh, open this door. Come out. Open, let my friend come inside the house. Let's go inside. Open this door. Let's go inside. Papa, welcome. Let me just get cola now.
Daddy, don't worry about cola. I have a lot of things to do. It took me a long time to locate your house, and as you're seeing this luggage, I have so many of them in my car, so I have to run around.
No problem. Chetana is in America. Chetana is in America. He brought message from him.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome.
Welcome, sir.
You're welcome. How are you?
Fine, sir.
No.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah. Here, your son said I should say, okay, yeah, please. This phone is for you.
Munka.
Yes. Yes. And this for your wife. And this too for your 2 children. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's Chitana.
Welcome.
Yeah. And that's not all. Here, we have $1,600 US. $800 for you, $400 for your wife, and $200 for the kids.
Thank you so much.
How about you?
Shut up!
And if you have any problem, how to change it?
I know we are changing.
I will do that. And that's not all.
Thank you.
Whatever in this bag is for the family upkeep. So he sent it to me.
Thank you.
Like I said, I'll be on my way. I have a very tight schedule.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Papa, this cannot work. This is pure partiality. How can my own Tetana bring money and give you $800, give Mama $400, and give me an Ujuma $200 in Kobo? So Ujuma and I are not made. No, that cannot
Will you shut up your mouth?
Papa, this is not shut up. Shut up for what one? If you are taking $800 and Mama should take $400, I will take $300 and Ujuma will take $100. There's always biggest. What is all this?
Lawyer Memboji. Inwaka, you have shared it. If you make noise again, if I hear you make any noise again, you will not get 10 kobo. You will not get even 1 pepper called dollar. Here.
No, go Chetana my paddy. Papa, this is a lie. Okay, because Mama is not here. Mama must hear this. Really, body here.
Papa, I'll take this bag.
You see what? You will take with Natacho Abacho. Mama must hear this. I'm giving you people quiet.
Papa, let me help you.
Because I'm giving you people quiet. Move it.
Papa!
You will just be cheating somebody. People let me have. Mama, I cannot take this. How can Papa give me $200 and give Ujuma $200? How can? Ujuma, we mate.
You have finally gone crazy. Eh?
No, Mama, it's not crazy. See, I'm serious. How can Papa? I told Papa to give me $300 and give Ujuma $100. How can Papa be doing this kind of thing?
No, it's either you're crazy or your father is crazy, or both of you are just mad. Kekwan dollars, Ebeka dollars this.
No, Mama.
Where is the dollar coming from?
Chetan sent money. And
Chalo. Chetan is alive.
Chetan is in America. Chetan sent phones and he sent dollars. Loan is $400 only. And I told Papa to give me $300.
I have phones and phones.
How can me and you? Oh, I will not agree.
Allow me to take you to the village for a minute.
Hello. Yeah, Chitana Mabu. Okay. Oh yes, I saw your dad. No, your mom wasn't around, but I saw your two siblings. They are doing well. Very, very well. Yes, I delivered your message, the phones, the money, everything.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, thank you so much, my brother.
Obika, yes, I saw him. I visited him too. I delivered your message as well, of course.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so very much. You're my man. Anytime.
All right, my friend. Take care of yourself. Manage the snow. I'm enjoying the sun in Africa. Bye, bro. Bye.
Please, all the money, the phones that my son brought,
You have not even asked whether your son is healthy. You are asking after the money and phones he sent.
If my son wasn't all right, he wouldn't have sent these things. But I thank God though, that my son is all right. So,
Actually, I came about 4 phones and $1,600.
Nice. Mba, these things need to be kept safe. And the only one that can keep it safe is the Samsung. Nora.
My own is $300. I can keep it.
All I know is that my own is $200.
You people have not even seen any paper and you are fighting to keep it. Nobody will see anything.
Darling. Darling. Hey!
Wait. Take care.
I know my own.
She can't take good care of you.
What is your problem now? Take your own.
My $300.
Let's go inside for the game. No,
Mama, my own money is $300.
Will you shut up? $300.
Mama.
Dikeh.
Mama.
Dikeh. This phone is really nice. And my SIM is just the exact size for the phone. It's ringing already. This number is strange. Hello? Hello? Hey! Cheta Namam! Cheta Mama! Cheta Kedu! Oh, Cheta, I can't believe this. I can't believe I'm speaking to you. I have been praying for the day that I will talk to you. Chetana! The first fruit of my womb. Hey! Namo! American boy! Oh, you near. Hey! Afumata gonna give me my handsome umbrella head. Hey! Nakedu. Yes, you want... You want to talk to your father? Hold on.
Give me the phone.
Okay, Muchalo. Your father is still a useless man. He shot all cargo just since you left. Mama was a security man. Sergeant, the security. Yes. Mama, give Papa the phone. Shut up. He takes care of plywood.
Chetana, you know you are very stupid. How can you give me and Ujunwa the same amount of money?
Talk to my son.
Chetana, don't mind your brother. You know, like you said, I used his brain to start my shop.
Mama me.
Yes. So, do you have a Oyibo girlfriend? You want to talk to your father? Okay, just hold on and make it snappy. You should be talking to your mother.
Papa,
ask
him how much you should give to me.
Hey, okay, hold on. Make it snappy. See, I know you're not used to this kind of phone. He now lives abroad, so don't just
give me the phone.
No, just hello. Mama, give him the phone. Bawam. Okay, go bye.
Hello, Chata.
Ask him how much is
what? Let me know this.
Because you're burning my credit.
It's not even your credit. It's not even your credit. It's Chetana's credit. You don't even know about phones. Chetana, please, I'm sorry, my son. Talk on.
Mama, I'm going. Uju? Yeah. Where's your phone? Is inside my bag. Mama, Uju, just keep quiet and give me the phone. I don't know why you always feel like you must challenge your mother.
I don't like this.
Shut up, put down that skirt. Wapia. Ikechi. Mama. Come. Where's your phone?
In my pocket.
Let me see it. Hi. Beautiful phone. White and black.
Yes, black and white.
Very nice. I'll keep it for you. We'll collect it. I don't want the phone to scratch. If it scratches, the phone won't look good anymore.
Mama, give me my phone.
You were busy doing something inside. Go and finish up.
No, give me my phone, Mama.
Later you will get your phone. Because go and do what I asked you to do. You should be grateful that your mother is taking care of you. Waking you up to tell you that I'm going to the shop.
Since when has this started? Telling me that you are going to the shop.
What kind of trouble is this? If I tell you I'm going to the shop, trouble. If I do not tell you, trouble. I'm just trying to be a loving wife.
You just wanted to disturb the sleep I was enjoying.
Yeah. Eh? Is that where you hide your phone? Inside your... Wait.
Switch
off. Let me teach you something. You don't put your phone near your... You know why? If it explodes, that's your end. So you will turn me into a widow at an early stage. If it doesn't kill you, half of your something gone. Hey.
I'm not sure it's not the phone that you were looking for.
How can I be looking for your phone? Anje shop.
Right.
No.
I bought this number so.
Papa,
what is it?
Mama collected my phone.
Look at Mama there, go and collect your phone. Waiting concern me.
Is that all you have to say?
Can you hear about Saudi and Ababa? You know run and do the kiss. Eh? Is that all you have to say? What else do you want me to say? Mama is collected my phone. Jana Guinea and Ebuko no father, Jana phone. Go look at her going out. Follow her, go and collect your phone. Go to come, come. Ike, go and collect the phone now from her. If she says your phone, don't call me. You gave her your phone and you are reporting to me. Go back home to boom. She has gone out. This time atu agba ereka muta efebe nkucha brojo. Hey, anecheli ayoma.
Anecheli mbombo. Anecheli mbombo. Anecheli wanyo necheli onye diyama mbombo. Anecheli mbombo. Wanyike mbombo. Anecheli mbombo. Madam Hoha mbombo. Aye. Oh. Anecheli wanyike Ijijintike susu ala nini Okpatara nkwaruru Singwere biara yo lili Anecheli Anecheli Sepo ake mweno fetupo waraka madu Anecheli Onyentike Anecheli Madam Hoha Wanyike Madam Ponkwem Onye nsogbu Anecheli mbombo. Anecheli mbombo. Anecheli wanyo necheli onye diyama.
What kept you so long?
I had to wait for my daughter to leave for school.
2 phones?
Yes.
You're supposed to get 3.
Huh. I couldn't get my husband's phone.
Why?
He had it hidden, in between.
Huh?
Yes. Please just forget his phone.
It's very important that we get his phone. You said your son sent him $800.
It's $800.
You see? If we don't get his phone and cut him offline, your son will continue to send things through him. But if we take his phone, everything will be sent through you. You will decide who gets what.
Anyway, just sell these 2 first and give me the money. I will think about what you said.
Okay. Just get the phone. Okay. Let's go back.
Don't hold me now. You don't know who my serious person.
See how this man is hitting me?
What is going on here? Look at this lazy man eating my food. This soup is different.
Join us.
Chineke, look at big chunks of meat. Darling, can I have a piece of meat?
Eat. If you want to. What happened? Eat.
Mama, you see your life? You wouldn't give him, but you eat his. Mama!
Actually, why now? She's eating. Why beat her?
Don't you know it's my husband? Don't marry your own husband. Look at you. Instead of going to find your own husband, you're busy chasing my husband. I'm not fair.
Mama, I want my phone. I want to make call with it.
You're disturbing me. See now your phone. Forget it.
What?
Mama, I want my phone back. Oh.
You're too young to have a phone. Students don't have phones. In short, for your information, both of you, I have sold your phones and I'm going to use the money to invest in my business. Once I make money, I'll give you back your phones.
Shirley, it's enough now. Give them their phones and let peace reign.
Thank
you, Papa. Sometimes you talk sense.
You're stupid. Mind how you talk to me. What's the meaning of that? Is that how to be a father? I'm discussing with my children and you're putting your mouth into what doesn't concern you.
This is family.
Fagini.
Family.
When I'm talking to my children, it is family with a difference. When I want you to be part of it, I let you know. Ini Edo, in short, if I go me away, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy a dog. Don't worry, to be a big dog. Crossbreed. And I will name it Ibekwe. Mba, Ibekwe Mandaba. Because if I call Ibekwe, both of you will run out to answer me. So you'll continue to answer Ibekwe and I'll name my dog Ibekwe. Ibekwe will come out. If I say Ibekwe, you too, you run out.
Come on now,
all I'm saying is my phone. No. I need my phone.
Attention seeker. You want me to get a dog for you? So what do I will get a dog, and I will name it Obianajo. And you know what? Both of you can run out at the same time for the ball. The dog will run faster than you.
Your phone, give me your phone. Come on, give me my phone. Hey!
Peter, I hope you rested well last night. Yes, it's okay. Don't worry about what happened. You have to take a day or two off to bounce back on your feet. And then you will sit down. This is 5,000. Thank you, sir. If you need anything to buy, to put yourself in order, you can do that. Thank you, sir. Alright, take a second. Just go home and rest so that you live back on your feet. Huh? About your salary, I'll pay you. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Papa, you are still here.
Papa, what happened to you? Did you have an accident?
You don't know what happened to Papa? As Papa was going to work yesterday night, some men attacked him. They beat him. Before he knew what was happening, one of them kicked him up. As he was landing, they collected his phone.
His phone?
They snatched his phone. Look at what they did to Papa.
These people must be very wicked.
Papa, sorry. They were lucky that I was not there.
You were not there. What did you achieve this morning? Going up and down. Flattering.
You'll be fine, oh?
Papa, make me early. Every time somebody is talking on your behalf, you will not even appreciate it. Mango, dear.
I don't know what to say.
So it is true. They wanted to pluck out your eye. God will never allow it. Hey, my darling. Ndo. Sorry, oh. Deep painful. Ndo. Don't worry, you will heal well. Hey! They want to take away my man from me. God will not allow it. Ndo. Hey! Androbas. It shall never be well with you people. You people that did this to my husband, it will not be well. It will not be well for you people. And now, Ndo, just rest so that you will heal faster. But you know what I think we're going to do? By the time you're healed, we'll have to look for another job for you. Not this type that Androbas will be following you up and down. Just hold it there. What? Stop there, Pico. Who are you smiling at? Did you want to kill him for me? Oh, okay. Your plan is to turn me into a widow. So you will take over. No, Pico. As much as, you know, I don't care about him. I don't want to be a widow yet. Tell the rubbish.
Nobody. We didn't beat him more.
Just let me have the phone first. Give me the phone. Thank you. They beat him a little. If I keep on beating him a little,
I didn't know he wasn't that strong now. I thought he was.
He's not strong. Oh, you didn't know? If he was strong, what do you think? You think I'll be doing anything with you? Oh, no, but the problem now, the crux of the matter, he's not strong.
Sorry now. Sorry.
No, I'm beginning to look at you with another eye. Yes.
How?
Amaram, since you're not ready to do what I asked you to do, are you sure you're a straightforward human being?
Very straightforward.
I'm sure.
No, don't just because of the little thing they beat him.
Little! Now I'm not seeing him. Something I would never do under normal circumstance.
Sorry, next time you won't beat him like that.
How would you beat him? He's not strong. He's not strong. It's Charlesnam. Nabazia. Tomorrow you come. Yes.
Sorry, I can't stay today.
No. Don't spoil in your one. Because you're long way. Actually, you will do. Oh, demand, I will need Katie and what you got there. Hey, like a fool. Chai, chin egg. Hello? Boy. Oh, money changwam. What are the booze are for gonna give me? Nah, Kedo, how are you? Oh, no. I am not home. Their phones. You know, I catch your brother and I miss your dear man. He sold his phone. That's for Bianidri. They stole her own phone from her. What? No. There's no point buying them phones. Let them finish from school first. Then we can buy them phones, yes. Your father. That man is a crazy human being. Do you know that your father now stays out late? Did I say late? He doesn't even come home most days. Yes! He's as useless as I don't even know how to describe him or what to compare him with. The man is useless. Yes. No. I have someone that can take care of it. Oh, that is not a problem. My handsome son with umbrella antenna in here.
Was that Chitana you were speaking to on the phone? And you told him that we're not around. That my phone was stolen and Ikechi told him. Mama, how can you tell such lies? Mama, how can you tell such lies? Are you talking to Mama, it's unfair. Are you talking to your mother? Come on, look at you. Be careful.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act.
I am sure Chetana called a few minutes ago and Mama told him that we are not around. He asked why he couldn't reach any of us. Do you know what Mama told him? That Ikechi stole his phone and that myself, I don't need phone until I finish school. Papa, she told him so many lies that will make him not to talk to us again.
Why will she be telling all these lies? Why?
So she can enjoy Chetana's money alone. Yes. You know what, Papa? I suspect it was Mama who arranged for those thieves that stole your phone. Give me, Papa.
Onye mpata abatacha. Onye nricha.
Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama. Mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo.
Okay. That's it about the land document.
Land document?
Yes. These documents make you the newest landlady in town.
A landlady?
That's right.
A landowner? I can't believe this. Aneche, a landowner.
That's right.
This is awesome.
That's not all. And we have
what?
We have this. Your car key.
My car key?
That's right.
My car key? Oh my God. You mean I have a car?
That's right.
I can't believe this. Oh my God. I'm a car owner. I'm a landlord and a car owner.
Yes.
Anieche, God has blessed you. You know what I want to do now?
What?
I want to go home. Why? I need to show off my new car.
You have not even asked me the brand, how much I bought it.
Honey, I trust your judgment. Whatever you buy for me, I know it's going to be wow.
It's wow.
It is wow.
Yeah.
I am going to drive my wow vehicle to my compound.
But not now, not so fast.
Why?
Because we have not celebrated it. Just the two of us.
We could celebrate as we drive the car.
Just the two of us. No, right here.
Okay, if you say so.
That's my girl.
Madam Hoha.
Where could Mama have gone to? Where could she have gone to?
Maybe she ran away to to spend Chetana's money all alone. Look at her shop, locked up, where she does business. My money is there.
Papa, I said it. I told you that.
Oh, supporter. Yeah, I'm not supporting anything.
His wife, the mother of those two grown-ups that you are seeing, there's a rumor that she's supposed to look with a very young man. A young man about this boy's age. I know this man. Too bad. A mother. That boy, Osoka, does it mean that he doesn't see young girls like us or what? And they ask me again, no, I don't know. I beg, this village tired me.
So, what are we doing?
Just let's get ready. I'll be downstairs waiting for you.
I'll be right down.
Okay.
I'm going to write right now. Okay. Powder my nose. It's meant for the dog. Can't do. Mama, where have you been? How are you? Don't worry, I'm managed. Mama, where have you been? Nobody knew your whereabouts. Is that how a married woman should behave?
Hey, hush. Stop that. She is still your mother, no matter what she has done. Remember the Bible says in Matthew 15 verse 4, honor your father and mother, and he that curses mother or father, let him die the death. You don't want to die, I believe.
You're very stupid. Why are you running? You can't put on. Why you can't put on? I'm watching for you on. You better. Kedu? Darling. You're looking so scruffy, as usual. Nabiko Ike, Yababam no, Gamal can
Look at Mama's boot.
Look at how much boy.
Come on. Oh, jealousy. Ike!
Mama Lee!
Oh.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act. Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts.
Chaitanya, my son is calling.
Okay.
Hello, Chaitanya, how are you? Chaitanya, you need to see the house. I'm standing right in front of the house. It is a mansion. Chaitanya, it is magnificent. That's the word for it. Yes. But the only thing left now is the furnishing. That is all that is left. But I promise you that in 2 weeks' time, everything will be done. You need to come home to see this. Yes. What? No, Chaitanya, you are kidding me. $80,000 for the estate? Huh? That is my son. Okay. We'll speak later. Now, you take good care of yourself. Sanya. Even those white people. You need to be very careful. Okay, son, we'll talk later. Bye. Hi. What are you calculating?
What did you say again?
What?
The dollar.
The $80,000 for the estate?
That's 22 million naira.
Get out of town.
I just told you.
Oh.
That's a lot of money.
Uzoka! Hey! Come on. Uzoka, you're teaching me. I'm going to say you teacher. Uzoka.
Show me.
Uzoka, be grandma. Stop. Let's look inside. Oh my God.
Stop and change your ways. Stop the act.
Ibekwe.
Sir.
Come.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, Ibekwe.
Yes, sir.
A friend of mine asked me for a favor. He believes I have more than one security. So he pleaded with me to send one to stay just for a night tomorrow in one of his clients' house. Yes.
So I will be watching there tomorrow, not here.
Yes. Let's go marry him.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Walk now, walk. Whether here or there.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
That's right.
Can I go back?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Our what? Building. Don't bother. Don't bother about that. It's done. It's done. And aha.
Yeah.
Udoka.
Yeah.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Fine.
Uzoka, this is the security man that my friend sent for me to work for a night.
What's your name?
Ibekwe.
Ibekwe. Okay. My people will soon arrive. Wait for them at the gate. You are looking at us.
I just I meet you. I think I will join.
There's drink. Join us.
I don't know. Let me start from the biggest, the drink. Yeah.
You're welcome. This building is very, very beautiful. You did a wonderful job here.
Yes, that's my friend.
I'm marvel.
It is my profession. It could have been better if Uzoka brought out more money.
Uzoka, why now? Udoka, this is your building. You're supposed to give him more money. If we have something much more better than this,
I should have gone to Central Bank, open their vault for Udoka to carry money.
Even if you do it, it doesn't mean you see your house.
I'm Tony by name, but friends call me JJ. You are cute. Very cute. Why don't we have a thing together? Be my girl. And I promise I'm going to take good care of you.
You have some guts, I must say. Okay. So, how does this play out at the end of the day? You just want to sleep with me?
It's not what you think. I'm for real.
I've been there, done that. So go along and look for some other girl that is gullible enough to fall for your lies, okay?
Why don't you just give me a chance? I mean each and every word I just said to you now. Just give me a chance and you won't regret it.
I am here to discuss a contract worth 10 million naira. Can we talk about that?
You're beautiful. And you can as well give me a chance because I'm for real.
Can you give it to me?
But why not you just give me?
Get lost. Get lost.
Oh my. Glenn, what are you doing here, Ibekwe? Eh? Papa? What are you doing here? Papa, am I talking to someone? Come here.
I walk.
I will walk. I'm here to
Mama,
Uzoka! What is this man doing here? Please get this thing out of my compound. Get this man out of my compound. Are you wasting time? Then what can see? Get out!
Go. You're sacked. He's sacked. I don't want to see
really?
him. I don't want to see him here again.
Okay.
Take him out.
No, Usoka, Biko, don't upset me. How could you let that man into my compound?
He's out. He's out.
Oh, no. This is it's totally unacceptable. Is it really out? Out! Go inside. Go inside. Go inside, Mama. Okay, see.
Let's go. Yeah, he's gone.
Does it mean that this house belongs to my son, Chaitanya? Did they rent the house? Why does Anacheli hate me this much? The passion of this hatred is extreme. I married her legally. Why must she drive me out in this cold night?
Yourself? I've been on him.
I'm sorry. I have plenty of things up here. I'm sorry, please.
Oga, please, be careful, okay? Be careful next time.
Excuse me. Can you drop me off somewhere there?
At the gate. No. He must not come home.
Where exactly do I drop you off?
I was actually going home. But right now, you are looking at a broken man. I can't even go home because my home is hell. I have a wife who has turned my life into a living nightmare. Right now I need a quiet, cool place I can think. Drop me off in a quiet place where I can clear my head of cobwebs. Cobwebs of sad thoughts. Where's your husband and your kids? Where are they? Your family?
I live alone. I don't have no husband, no children.
With all this beauty.
Beauty.
All this.
Yet not beautiful enough for any man to want to go into marriage with me.
Marriage. Marriage could be enjoyable to some people, yet hell to some others. I have suffered in marriage. I have 3 children. Suddenly my first son, whom we thought we had lost, started bringing things home, gifts, including phones. But my wife never allowed me to enjoy the fruit of my labor. I once had a white-collar job. My wife cost me that job. And I became an Okada rider. One day, thieves stole my Okada. I ended up as a security guard in someone else's house.
That is so sad. Well, you can stay here for as long as you want until you pick up yourself. Then you can go home.
Why are you doing all this? Why are you helping me?
Maybe I just want to help you. Or it could be that because an Okada man once helped me. My car broke down in a lonely road. God, that day was something else. I was so scared to the point that when I got home, I forgot to pay him. I ran inside the house and forgot to completely pay him. And the man came in. It was at that point that I remembered to even...
You gave him more than enough for just an Okada price. You gave him What about 40,000 naira? Oh. Now I remember this house.
That was you?
Yes,
Oh my God. Oh.
Here. If he's here, this clothes wouldn't litter this place. Oh my God. I hope nothing has happened to him. Laughing now. Instead of helping me to get down, you're laughing at me.
What are you even doing there? What did you go to do up there?
There is one mango I wanted to check.
Go and check it now. If you know how you climbed up there, you come down.
Papa, help me to come down. I'll jump from here.
Jump is better.
You know, if I jump here now and get injured, you will be the one to take me to hospital.
You will be the person who will suffer the pains.
Oh, Papa, this is not funny. Help me to come down.
Come down now. And if you don't come down, you will walk like this.
Papa, I don't like this thing you're doing, no, honestly.
Listen, the man that will marry you, you know when you be going like this, the man that will marry you will be going like this.
Baba, so this is what you're wishing me back. let me even jump and
jump.
But I'll jump. I'll jump.
Okay. Alright, come.
Papa, you do. Hey, Baba. Hey.
Next time, don't climb. Women don't climb.
But I beg, I was just trying to check one mango like that.
Yes, Mama. Fine. I will send the money for the land. I'm going to send $15,000. $15,000, Mama. Yes. Mama, $15,000, not 80, not $80,000, 15,000.
I was being starved.
She needs to see
of
you
food.
now.
If she sees me now, she won't believe it. Riding on a jeep like this. Look at her. That's my wife coming. Look at her.
Really?
That's her.
Don't bother about him. Don't bother about him.
Look what you do, Tanan. Look what you be block on mad.
Is he alright? Take it easy.
Go this way so I can pass. Come on, Nani. As I'm moving, it's blocking me the more. Go! Take that way now.
Where are you going?
No, 1 minute. Let me know who this idiot is. Why are you so stupid?
Stop the act. Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts. back to you.
For the 10th time, you need a strong financial base. Something to fall back on when things are no longer rosy. Okay, like this land now. We don't need to buy the land now. We just need to buy some goods from China, electronics. We buy electronics from China, ship them into the country, sell them, make loads of money. And then we can use the capital to buy as many parcels of land as we want. And then we use the gains to do whatever we want to do. We'll have loads of money.
That sounds interesting.
It's very interesting.
Then we could, start off our own business.
Now you're talking. That's what I'm talking about.
You're so smart.
You're smart. You are smart.
Really? So
I'll call my agent. We just, I know this guy. We just transfer money. They ship the goods. And that's it. We're in business.
Okay. But first thing tomorrow morning, we go to the bank and transfer the money. I like it.
I like it too.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Oh!
It's obvious Papa has not come to the house. What do I do now? Should I report to the police? Finally, we are living in a big house. But what do I have to show for it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No good clothes, no money, and Mama doesn't even care.
Ujuma, you can't believe this. Hi! Mama said she saw Papa driving a very big car. If you see this car, a jeep. And then there's this fine girl seated beside him. Hi! If you see this girl, beautiful. In fact, she's more beautiful than Miss Nigeria. And both of them were in the car. Music was playing and they were dancing. Hi! Papa is now a millionaire. Papa Ebugosu.
Ikechi, what do you take me for? A dummy or what? Please, save your exaggerations for those who care about it.
Are you saying I'm a liar?
Where could Papa get such money to buy a car?
Oh, you are calling Mama a liar? Ujuma.
Ikechi, I know you planned this with Mama. Yes, I know you planned it with her to make me forget the fact that nobody knows Papa's whereabouts.
Ujuma, what is wrong with you? Mama is rich, you are not happy. Now I told you that Papa is rich, you are not happy.
Let me be, please.
So how are we going to raise that kind of sum of money to be able to clear the goods? I mean, Chatana hasn't been picking his calls. And besides, he hasn't even sent Ikechi's school fees.
I think we should sell the big car and use the car to get some money.
That's not a bad idea. But I don't think it will be enough. We're talking about a lot of money here.
Oh.
So I suggest we borrow money from the bank, use this house as collateral. We turn over and we pay the money back.
This house?
Yes. We will turn over before you know it. And we'll get the money, we'll get the house back.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll give you the documents. You raise the money, and by the time we sell off the goods, we'll have a lot. We'll get our documents back.
That's a good plan.
Yeah, I think so.
That's a good plan.
I think so.
Why don't you call Chetana again?
Chetana's phone is permanently switched off.
Just try again. You never can tell.
Okay, if you say so. I told you. Switched off. Anyway, let me get the document.
Okay.
All right.
I wish to use this opportunity to appreciate you for all you've done for me. You helped me pick up the shattered pieces of my life. Now I am standing on my feet again as a man. Thank you.
You really don't have to thank me. I am just being human.
I want to inform you that I have decided to divorce my wife and move ahead with my life.
Well, it's a good thing that you are on your feet now. But do you have to divorce your wife?
Yes.
Why?
We don't need to do this.
Okay. You are a good man. And I believe you truly deserve the best I have to give.
The best?
Yes.
Within a short period of time, you have shown me that there are still diamonds among women. You are a diamond. I would have loved to be that best which I desire. But you really need a younger man.
I don't need any younger man. I need you. In the car. You're gonna be clean off your lip. Hey.
Let's get it.
Again, umyoka ne nyene kuna. My Delu.
Hey! Go Papa over there.
Nah. I was given the insult of my life. In a meeting, we just finished in a meeting. I told Okonkwo, you know, Papi Vani. I told him to drop me at the junction. Just at the junction, so that I would trek in here. Papi Vani insulted me. Insulted you. Yes, insulted you. Insulted my generation. Just because I told him to drop me at the junction, that I will trek in here.
That was all.
Nothing more than
just for him to drop you off so you walk home.
Yes.
He insulted you.
Finish. At the junction, not here. For me to trek down.
Hello? Okay. That SUV, you asked me if I wanted to buy and I said no. I want to buy it now. Yes, I want to buy it for my father. Yes, you said 6 million, I remember. Send your account number and you see the alert right now. I need you to arrange, if you cannot bring it, arrange for someone to bring it to my village right away. I will send you the address. Okay, you will get the alert right now. Thank you.
Papa? Mama.
I have just, let me do the transfer. Pay for your SUV, they are bringing it.
How about the money now?
G, SUV. While I'm doing that, she is actually the main reason I came to see you. Your son has decided to settle down, and Papa, the person I have decided to settle. But don't worry, she's the one I have decided to settle down with.
You know him? He's my son. You want him to marry you. Right away. Fix the date.
As soon as people give me the go-ahead. We go.
Hey!
But there are certain calls you don't take. These ones you ignore them. There are people that are distractions. This one is a distraction, Papa. I will send a text message to you. Very, very important. This is very, very important. Yeah, Papa, this is very, very
Ikechi, where are you?
I'm here.
What are you doing here? I've checked your room and you're not there. Ikechi, what is it? I've never seen you in this mood before. What's the problem?
Do you remember that book called Things Fall Apart?
Yes, by Chinua Achebe. What about it?
It is happening in this house.
How?
Juma, things are falling apart in this house. Look, that big Jeep SUV, when last did you see it? Uzoka no longer comes to this house. Okay, today, the bank people came with eviction letter.
Eviction letter?
Why? Mama used this house as collateral to borrow money from the bank. And as I speak with you, the money is no more.
Are you serious?
You just said that you have never seen me like this before. Does that not tell you that there is fire on the mountain and nobody is running? Juma, things are falling apart in this house.
What is it? Okay. My daughter husband, didn't you hear? What is it? That they're traveling abroad, overseas for honeymoon.
Hey! Nothing in there, man.
We're going abroad for our honeymoon.
Hey!
You should tell him, he's not just telling me congratulations, he should go and marry.
Don't worry, before they come back, my daughter-in-law will be.
How can I lose my money like this? How can so much money just pass through my fingers and just disappear? Hey! Oh my God, my enemies will hear this. But I'm finished. What am I going to do? Uzoka is nowhere to be seen. Uzoka just disappeared and just left me. Chetana doesn't answer his calls. He doesn't call me anymore. What am I going to do? Hey! Hey! What do I do? What do I do?
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act. Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, no matter how long it lasts.
Dikeh, let's finish cleaning the house. What is it?
So this is how people fall from grace to grass. When I was even thinking that we have climbed from grass to grace, all of a sudden, gidigba. Not even, we did not even fall to grass. This is below grass. Bare floor. Hey! Hey!
It's okay. Let's go. Let's get to work. It's okay.
Where is that upper?
The upper. It's inside the house.
I'm sorry I've not been able to keep to our appointment. I have been so busy. You're here now, so how can I help you?
Thank you very much, madam, for making our time to see us even this late. Well, we wish you could do business with us by buying the property so that we can balance our sheets as the deal is coming to an end.
If I buy this property, how soon do I take possession?
Immediately. The bank will enforce execution without delay. We have also legally informed the person in question to get ready for evacuation.
What do you think?
Investment in real estate is very lucrative. It will only appreciate it or depreciate. So you can go ahead and buy. Invest.
Okay. Thank you very much. Peace.
Yes, madam.
I will buy the property.
Perfect, madam. Thank you very much.
I will come to the bank tomorrow to make the payment. Then we can finalize the documentation.
Okay, no problem.
Honey, when are we traveling?
When? When do you want us?
I don't want to take the plane.
You know what? Take this call. Tell the person to stop disturbing us. We are in honeymoon. Come on. Tell the person to stop disturbing your husband. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, don't worry. So if she calls again, tell her to stop disturbing your husband.
Pick up your phone, Uzoka. Pick it up. Just pick the damn phone. I need to know which way forward. Pick your phone. What's going on? It's not picking.
So if she calls again, tell her to stop disturbing your husband.
Huh?
Tell her we are on our honeymoon. Do you understand? That's go ahead.
Hello?
Hello, please. Please, may I speak to Uzoka?
Hello?
Please stop disturbing me and my husband. We are on our honeymoon, please.
What?
I said you are disturbing us. Stop calling this line, please.
May I speak to him right now? What? Hey! Hey! Hello! Hey! Chimo! Hey!
Oh, give me, Mama, what is it?
Hey! 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 Oh, what What is it now? Talk to us. Hey! Mama! Are you still gonna give me the money to leave?
Don't worry, when they're done making your hair, we'll go to the bank and I'll do the transfer.
Wow, thank you. See, that's why I love you so much. Yeah, baby, you're the best. Yeah.
Okay, not to worry. Once they are done making your hair, we go.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Officer, what is the problem? I am the man of the house.
That woman was my wife. Those kids are mine.
Papa, step.
Papa.
June.
Papa. Papa, good afternoon.
Daphne.
Papa, good afternoon.
Daphne.
You are free to study. So wish. Enjoy your money.
Hey! Shame on you! Shame on you! You brought mommy water as your wife. Wife to be. Oh, give me shame. This house is my house and no one is going to take it away from me. Not you bankers, not the police, nor you and your culture. Would you? Dikeh?
As a matter of fact, we've cleaned the old house for you. So you go there and make yourself comfortable. I don't have to buy any chairs or whatever.
Slippers. Look at, I've never even believed in you nor hoped in you. Useless girl. Nenu called. Ha! Iya no ben na im na ya nwai. Agafu. Na ye get bia kai na babandi and you see he's a useless man. Look at the kind of woman he brought as a wife. Never called. Who to just see River Niger if I get finished show no. Come, let us go.
Mama, I have thought about that thing you told me.
What thing?
I want to be like Papa.
It's again. Ike, that is what you got. Don't touch me. Look at this two of us. Oh, because you're wearing police uniform. Don't touch me. Don't. You can say move, but don't touch me.
I will get you arrested.
I don't think of it.
I told you you were going to enjoy this thing. When we were coming, you were looking at the environment. Now you're. How is it?
This is nice. It's very sweet. Tasty. Wow. I never knew there is a place like this in this town.
We know all the places you can go and enjoy yourself. And there's still more.
Wow.
Same one.
See, let me tell you, we'll be coming here from time to time. It's so nice.
There's one, this one. Don't worry, relax. No, don't.
Madam Hoha. Anecheli, Onyentike, Anecheli, Madam Hoha, Wanyike, Madam Ponkwem, Onyensubu, Anecheli, 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 Mbombo, Anecheli, 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 Mbombo, Anecheli, Wanyo, Nechelo, Nyediama, Mbombo, Anecheli, Mbombo, Wanyike, Mbombo, Anecheli, Mbombo, Madam Hoha, Mbombo, Anecheli, 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 Mbombo, Anecheli, 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 Mbombo, Anecheli, Wanyo, Nechelo, Nyediama, Mbombo, Anecheli, Mbombo, Wanyike.
Don't bother about him. Don't bother about him. Don't bother about him.
Look at you, your turn, man. You don't be block on mad.
Is he alright?
Take this.
Go this way so I can pass. Come on, Nani. As I'm moving, he's blocking me the more. Go! Take that way now.
Where are you going?
No, 1 minute. Let me know who this idiot is. Why are you so stupid?
Stop the act. Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts, evil that you do will come back to you.
For the 10th time, you need a strong financial base. Something to fall back on when things are no longer rosy. Okay, like this land now. We don't need to buy the land now. We just need to buy some goods from China, electronics. We buy electronics in China, ship them into the country, sell them, make loads of money. And then we can use the capital to buy as many parcels of land as we want. And then we use the gains to do whatever we want to do. We'll have loads of money.
That sounds interesting.
It's very interesting.
Then we could, start off our own business.
Now you're talking. That's what I'm talking about.
You're so smart.
You're smart. You are smart.
Really? So
I'll call my agent. We just, I know this guy. We just transfer money. They ship the goods. And that's it. We're in business.
Okay. But first thing tomorrow morning, we go to the bank and transfer the money. I like it.
I like it too.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Oh!
Madam Hoha.
Oh yes, it's my car. You want me to believe this? Get inside. Let me take this joy. Get inside. Get inside. Hey! Oh no, what else? Oh no, what else? Egodi, my wife, is in money. She's wealthy.
It is written all over you.
Can't you see how fresh I am?
You are. You look at you. Everything has changed. You look at the oil.
You can say it again.
I'm happy for you, man.
Thank you so much. Hi. Is it good? Bought a new house where we are living. Until we packed into the house, I never knew that the house belonged to Ini Edo that used my son's money to build that house. I'm telling you, with that fool that was eating my son's money with her.
Is that why the bank came after Uzoka? The bank arrested him, charged him to court. As I'm talking to you, Uzoka is serving jail term.
Uzoka is in jail?
Yes, he's in prison.
Serves him right. Serves him right. Idiot. The boy is an idiot. If they got Ini Edo, my wife, I think she would have been in prison. Hey! Thank God. Thank God. God has vindicated me.
That's why I know that God is a God of justice.
God is a God of justice.
Hey!
Say it again. That is why bring us drink here.
Wait, bring us drink.
Drink.
I hope your drinks are cold. Get me beer. Beer that is Be fast.
Go quick. I can't bring it. I'm going to change my profession. You won't drive or car. You won't ride or car here.
If you do that for me, I will never be present.
I have said it. I will do it.
Who's on go?
Ego.
you.